What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Monday.com. Monday.com is a powerful work management platform that helps teams streamline their workflows, collaborate effectively, and drive business results. With its flexible customization options, seamless integrations, and AI-powered automations, Monday.com is the go-to solution for teams looking to boost productivity and achieve their goals. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Work management. Monday.com's work management solution offers a flexible and customizable platform to help teams streamline their workflows, collaborate effectively, and drive business results. With its robust features, teams can tailor the platform to their specific needs, seamlessly integrate with the tools they rely on, and leverage powerful automations and AI capabilities to automate repetitive tasks. The platform's real-time visibility into crucial metrics empowers data-driven decision-making, while its specialized products cater to various use cases, from sales and marketing to IT and product development. Underpinned by a delightful user experience, Monday.com's work management solution is designed to increase engagement and adoption, enabling teams to focus on executing tasks, projects, and processes efficiently and achieve their shared goals. Monday CRM. Monday.com's CRM solution is a fully customizable sales CRM software that saves time, keeps teams organized, and improves productivity. With its intuitive lead management capabilities, teams can collect leads from any source, centralize and qualify every lead in one place, and automatically score them based on custom criteria. The platform's deal management feature allows teams to customize their pipeline without the need for a developer, while the dedicated mobile experience enables sales professionals to manage their pipeline on the go. By providing visibility into all the information needed to manage customer relationships and understand sales performance, Monday.com CRM has opened countless opportunities for businesses that previously did not have access to such capabilities. Developer Platform. Monday.com's developer platform empowers teams to build custom solutions tailored to their unique needs. With its extensive APIs, low-code tools, and flexible data structures, the platform enables rapid development of applications without deep technical expertise. Powerful automations streamline workflows, while enterprise-grade security ensures data is protected. By leveraging the developer platform, teams can create competitive advantages through custom software solutions that address their specific challenges and requirements. Whether it's integrating with existing systems, automating complex processes, or building bespoke applications, the developer platform provides the tools and infrastructure to bring these visions to life. Service management. Monday.com's service management solution offers a centralized system to collect, prioritize, and manage incoming requests from various sources. Teams can define and automate processes using customizable workflows, ensuring consistency and efficiency in service delivery. A shared knowledge base allows documenting and sharing information, reducing repetitive work, and empowering teams to provide better support. Real-time dashboard provide visibility into service performance, enabling data-driven decision-making. Collaboration tools facilitate efficient teamwork, further improving the overall service experience. By leveraging Monday.com's service management solution, teams can streamline their service operations, enhance customer satisfaction, and drive continuous improvement. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. While Monday.com offers a highly customizable and feature-rich platform, this level of flexibility can be overkill for smaller teams or organizations with simpler needs. The extensive customization options and integrations may require a significant investment of time and resources to set up and maintain, which could be a barrier for teams with limited IT support or technical expertise. In such cases, a more lightweight and straightforward work management tool may be a better fit. The breadth of features and customization options available on Monday.com can present a steep learning curve for new users. Onboarding and training employees to effectively utilize the platform's capabilities may require significant time and effort, especially for teams that are transitioning from more basic or traditional project management tools. This can slow down initial adoption and impact user productivity in the short term, potentially deterring some organizations from fully embracing the platform. Monday.com offers a range of pricing tiers to accommodate different team sizes and budgets, but the higher tier plans with more advanced features can be relatively expensive, especially for smaller businesses or startups. The cost of the platform, along with any necessary integrations or customizations, may be a barrier for organizations with limited financial resources. Additionally, the pricing structure, which is based on the number of users, may not be the most cost-effective option for teams that have a high number of occasional or light users. Monday.com is a powerful and versatile work management platform that offers a wide range of features and customization options to help teams streamline their workflows, collaborate effectively, and drive business results. While the platform may present some challenges in terms of complexity, learning curve, and pricing for certain organizations, its ability to centralize work, automate process, and provide real-time visibility into performance makes it a compelling choice for teams looking to optimize their operations and achieve their goals. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.